Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my mainstay self-warming mug, adjustable temperature, and this is a 12 ounces mug. It has a 1-year warranty. Mainstay, the authorized dealer of Mainstay is Walmart, so you're able to buy this from Walmart. I don't know if eBay and Amazon basically sell this, but I'm 100% sure it's a Mainstay product, delivered by product sold by Walmart company, and you can buy this from Walmart. I'm not affiliated to Walmart company, but I'm giving you guys an idea where you guys can get this kind of self-warming mug. I'm showing you guys once I open the box. So once you open the box, it comes with an adapter. So the adapter is a 100 to 240 volts. It's a multi-voltage, so you can use this abroad from other Asian country. In Saudi Arabia, the voltage that they basically have in there, it's a 110, similar to United States, but to 240 you can see that in the Philippines. And if you guys go to an Asian country, you are able to use this self-warming mug. This is a 12 volts input voltage. It's a 12 volts, as you see. 12 volts, 1.5 ampere, 18 watts. And this is the saucer pan. So this is what you guys will see at the bottom of this saucer pan. Check. That's what you guys will see. The bottom. So it has a two, you see that this one, these two gold pin, that's the pin that it will heat up this mug. This is the actual mug. So the mugs, it comes with the lead cover. So lead cover, you are able to close it, you are able to open it. By turning this lead, you are able to close, you are able to open. You are able to sip from this side, from this bigger and a smaller. And if you guys want to use the mug, you need to pour a wire. I have a wire which is a house temperature. I'm going to pour my wire to this. So already pour a wire and I'm gonna put this to the saucer. But prior that you guys will put that to the saucer, you need to adjust the temperature setting on the bottom. So you need to turn this on, the dial. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my mainstay self-warming mug. This is a stainless steel double wall 12 ounces mug. It's an electric charging coaster. It's a non-slip. The nice thing with this, it comes with a 1-year warranty. You can buy this from Walmart. I'm not been affiliated from Walmart. This is not a sponsored video. I made this. I'm making this video just to give you guys an idea what this type of product, how good it is. And I'm going to open the box and I'll let you guys see it. So these are the things that you guys will see. It has a 12 ounces mug. They said it's a stainless steel, but the if you guys will see, the mug itself, it's not a stainless steel. It's a coated with probably a ceramic coating. I don't think that the ceramic coating can last for a long period of years, but this is only not more than $30 or so. You can get this from Walmart. And there's an on and off button to the bottom of this. So all you need to do to starting this up, as you see, I don't know if you guys are able to see. So there's 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 and 145. There's a timer and on and off. So all I need to do, just turn this on. You need to charge this first before you guys able to use this. So there's a charging cable that you need to plug this in to the saucer coaster. This electric charging coaster, so you need to plug this in right there. After you plug it in, now you need to plug this into the wall adapter. So I have my own portable power supply that I can use. So I'm gonna plug this in. So as you see, I already plugged it in. It still has a juice, which is 66%, 117 hours that I can use. My solar power generator or a power station. So all I need to do, I need to press this button. I'm gonna press this and select the temperature that I would like to preheat. So I'm gonna press it right now. Press it and hold it for 2 seconds. So you see the timer. So I'm gonna choose not 135, 140, 145. So after I put a 145, I'm gonna put it to the electric charging coaster. Now this one, it will definitely charge. You see the blinking. It blinks to 145, and the charging indicator, the red one, and this 145. So all I need to do is just pour a wire temperature wire. After I pour it, I'm gonna wait for an hour or so. And I would like to let you know that this LED cover, it has a silicone do you see the silicone seal, rubber seal? So I need to put this LED cover and turn this to counterclockwise just to close it. Now it's already been closed. That's open and that's closed. Okay, so I need to wait for an hour and let's come back later. Right now it's charging. So I'm gonna use the digital temperature. So I got the temperature, which is 96.4. Let's see later on. Now I plug in the adapter, the AC adapter, for closer to 50 minutes already. So the red and 140, see the temperature there, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, still blinking. Once that 145 light, it will stop blinking, stay as a solid like 145. That's the temperature that's already met by the self-warming mug. So right now it's still preheating the wire, but the temperature is already good for people who are love to drink coffee. As you see the stem, see the moisture stem, the wire. So there, so we're gonna use this thermometer. Slow, so we're gonna put it here. You see the temperature is it's high, so I got a high temperature. It won't measure the temperature because this temperature that I use is for body temperature, but as you see, I got a high temperature. So now I'm able to brew my instant coffee. I used to brew my coffee sometimes using the 3-in-1 This is an Asian coffee, a Vietnamese coffee, instant coffee mixed in 3-in-1, strong blend. You can buy this from an Asian store, Kapi Howatan. So let me pour this coffee powder inside the coffee mug. I already put the 3-in-1 coffee. The 3-in-1 is a mixture of coffee, creamer, and a sugar. So let's stir it a little bit. Let me close the lid. This lid cover can open, doesn't open. I can turn the dial into clockwise, counterclockwise. The lid cover will open, while turning it clockwise, it will be closed. So the temperature is still blinking, the 145 degrees, and so once that light, as what I mentioned a while ago, it will stay still. The blinking green color, red and green, or white color, it will stop into a solid white color. It means to say that you already, the coffee mug, this self-warming mug already reached the temperature 145 degrees. So far, it's still preheating the self-warming mug. So I'm gonna wait for another minute or so. But let me try if the coffee is already been ready for drinking. Now let me drink. Let me take a sip of coffee. Okay. Okay. The coffee is hot, like a regular coffee that you are basically brewed to your coffee machine. I definitely highly recommend you guys. This is a great coffee mug. It comes with the silicone lid seal, and the coffee tastes really good. I highly recommend you guys get this kind of brand. The mainstay is self-warming mug. You can buy this from Walmart. Not more than $30 or so. This type of self-warming mug, you can use this in your office, especially if you have your own office table. So the temperatures can be adjusted to a different setting. You see the temperature there. So it has 135, 140, 145. So that's the temperature. I set it into 145 now. The self-warming mug still preheating this coffee mug. I'm gonna wait until it reaches the right temperature setting that I set, which is 145. But so far, I'm satisfied with the temperature, even though that it didn't reach the actual 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And as you see, if I'll use my body temperature thermometer, you see, it's high. So it means to say that the temperature to the cup, it's reached more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, guys, I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching my channel. If you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Again, this is a self-warming mug for those people who are working in the office, in the bank, so on and so forth. And if you have your own office table, you are able to put this to your table and bring your own instant coffee like this, or whatever similar coffee, instant coffee that you are able to buy from Asian store, or either from Walmart. Hopefully that Walmart carry an instant coffee. Sometimes I drink instant coffee, but I have an stock. I basically brewed my coffee to my coffee machine. I have espresso machine. I'm gonna do my review to my espresso machine. So far, this is the review that I'm showing you guys. Self-warming mug by Mainstay. Kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.